So this week we're going to continue looking at equations. Last week we looked at one-step equations, and this week we will look at two-step equations. Again, we're going to use reverse operations to get the x by itself. Remember that the goal when you're solving an equation is to get x by itself. Like I said, the goal is to get x by itself. So I need to rearrange this so that x is all by itself. I'll need to get rid of the plus 1, and I'll need to get rid of the multiplied by 4. I need to undo the operations that are happening, and when I undo them, I'm going to go backwards through bedness. And what I mean by that is I'm going to get rid of the plus 1 before I get rid of the multiply. So I'm going to get rid of the addition before I get rid of the multiplication. So I'll go backwards through bedness. In this particular case, in order to get rid of plus 1, I'm going to subtract 1. Now notice there's red on the left side of my equation. I need to make sure I do it to the other side of the equation as well, because it is like a balance and I need to keep it balanced. So my next line then will be 4x equals 12. And now we're on to a single step equation like we did in the first video. And again, the goal is to get x by itself, and right now the 4 is bothering the x. The 4 is multiplied by the x. I want to undo that by dividing by 4. And I need to multiply both sides, or divide both sides by 4. So then x equals 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Thank you. So I've rewritten the equation. So I have 2x minus 7 equals 13. I want to get rid of the minus 7 first. So I'm going to add 7. You have to do the opposite operation, the reverse operation. You'll notice that there is red on the left side of my equation, so I need to make sure there is red, the same red, on the right side of the equation, just to keep things balanced. That means my next line is equal to 2x equal to 20. And again, like I said, we need to get the x by itself, right here, and it's multiplied by 2, so to undo a multiply by 2, I will need to divide both sides. Both sides, notice the red is on both sides, by 2. Why 2? Because that's what's in front of the x. So then x equals 10. All right, now your turn to try some. Good luck.